So the catch-up trade here is oil. And oil to me has a shot of being the best performing asset in 2026. Now, you might say you're crazy. You may say I disagree. That's okay. I respectfully honor that disagreement. That's okay. There's no problem with that. But what you have to keep in mind is that Wall Street is not always about value, right? There's also a momentum component here. And if you look at oil, which is trading below $58 a barrel, and you compare it to the price of gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, all these other assets, all these other commodities that have been denominated in terms of dollars, and then you also factor in inflation. I mean, if you would do inflation adjusted on oil, it's trading at like $40 a barrel. I mean, it is massively lower. Then and again, you throw out the idea of what every other asset has done, especially, I mean, even the S&P, but you're looking at gold, silver, all these other commodities, and oil is at rock bottom prices. And there's a thing that institutions do. They don't like to take money out of the market. So when things get pricey, like they start to say, let's say they start to say silver's getting a little pricey, or gold, or whatever it is, or, it could be anything, market, S&P 500. They say, well, we don't want to take the money out of the market. So where can we reposition that money where it's cheaper, where it hasn't made a move? And to me, that's oil. And so oil, folks, again, could be the best performing asset in 2026, at least in the first half. I'm watching for a breakout of this trend line. Notice we came down here. We actually took out this low, which was the first one I was looking at. And then we have this secondary low right here, which it's held, and it's now starting to move up. And to reinforce that view, not only do you have inflation adjusted oil, which is ridiculously cheap, oil in terms of gold, oil in terms of silver, which are basically at all-time lows.
If you want the full setup, levels, scenarios, and the why behind this move, watch the entire episode of My Trading Game Plan on our YouTube channel.